today I'm going to be teaching you how to do the Faro Fan, which is basically the thumb fan 2.0. And if you want your Faro fans to look better than everybody else's, then I'd pick up these cards because it has this white line here, which makes fanning look fantastic. Because you get this cigar band all the way around the outside. And you can check them out in the description for 10% off. And make sure to stick around to the end of the video for a bonus tip. Now with a move called the Faro Fan, of course the first thing you're going to have to learn is the Faro Shuffle. And that's when you take two halves of the deck and intertwine them like that. That way it's perfectly every other. I do have a full tutorial of that in the description, but the basics of it is you're going to cut this deck in half, place one on top of the other, making sure to line it up with your pinky. Personally, I don't have it all the way on the corners like this, I have it a little bit off-centered. I don't have it straight up and down, I have it slightly diagonal like this. Now I'm going to push down with my right hand, and as soon as I do that, you'll see it start to break, and when you do it all in one motion, it should go every other. Now that will take a bit of practice, but now let's get into the fan part of the Faro Fan. The first thing you're going to want to make sure of is that the top and bottom card are both on the lower half. You don't want this. I'm going to bring this down like so. You also want to make sure that the top and bottom are all lined up and you don't have any cards that are whopper jawed. Now here's for the grip. You're going to take your left hand and pinch this bottom half just like so, and you're going to rest this all the way into the in-between part between your thumb and your index finger. So your thumb should be coming diagonally here, and the other four fingers are just gripping in the back. Now your left thumb is going to grip it here, and these other four fingers are going to be on this outside. And for the most part, you're just moving your thumb around in a circle. These four fingers here are just to support so no cards fall off. And when you're first doing this, you will struggle having cards falling out all the time, so here's two tips to help you not do that. The first is to have it pressed down farther into each other. When you do that, there's more friction and they're less likely to fall off. And the second is to have it more parallel to the ground than straight up and down. And now to put all those together, your Faro Fan should look like that. But you also need to know how to close it. Once you've opened it up like this, there's a couple ways you can do it. The first way is to reach around with your right hand and grab it on this outside here and to bring it around all the way to the front. Then once you're here, you can either push them together, or you can put your thumb at the bottom, your middle and ring at the top, and bend it toward your hand, and then when you release, you should do that. This next way is way number 2, and then after this is the bonus. The second way is to close it one-handed. But an easier way to show you will be to do it with a regular fan, and then you can definitely mimic it, because turning it like this with a Faro Fan is just not going to happen. The close will look like this, and from the bottom you're going to be taking your middle finger and pushing it away, while bringing your ring finger back toward you. So currently I'm pushing my middle finger away, which is then moving the cards around, and my ring finger is coming back toward me. Now once I get to here, I actually bring my middle finger back toward me, which finishes the close. And here's your bonus way to close it. And that's called Friffle and Cascade. This first move is called Friffle, and this second move is called Cascade. And I have taught both of them here on the channel. You can check out Friffle here and Cascade here. So make sure to subscribe if you want more cardistry tutorials like this, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is CPM, signing off.